Hello. Hello,
Hello.
hello, hello. What do you do? I'm glad to be with you, with you. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Katerina Pau. What is your name?
My name is Nick.
What a nice name. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Thank you. All right. So now, Rick, how are you today?
I am happy.
Wow, that's good. And now,
Mm-mm.
Rick, what did you do today? Did you go to school today?
I go to school.
All right, that's amazing. And now, Rick, are you ready?
Yes, teacher, I'm ready.
Okay, so now let's go and see. Look. All right, so now, Rick, let's have our speaking. Let's see. Okay, so now, Rick, let's have the part one. Let's
Part one.
find the
Find the
difference.
difference.
Yes, very good. So can you read it one more time, Rick? Find
Find the differences.
differences. Very good. Now, look. Wow, Rick, look at the two pictures. They look almost the same, but there are some differences. So can you find them, Rick?
Um,
Can you find the differences, Rick?
it is. It is.
Yes, very
It
good,
is.
Rick. Yes, okay, good work. All right, fantastic, good job. So now, Rick, let's look at the first picture. So look at the girl.
The girl
Okay.
is wearing a moon a moon t-shirt and while the picture two, the girl is wearing a star t-shirt. In the picture one, uh, in the bowl it have banana,
Yes.
while in the picture two, the bowl is not have banana. In the picture one, the car is on the chair, while on the in the picture two, the car in is on the floor. In the picture one, the the boy is wearing a green and pink t-shirt, while in the picture two, the boy is wearing and blue t-shirt.
Wow, very good, Rick. Good job for that. So can you give me five for that, Rick? High five, Rick. Oh, Rick. Okay, good job. And look, Rick, for that. Ta-da! Here is your hamburger. Okay, Rick, eat your hamburger. Nom 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 nom. Yum! Very good. Yes, you're right, Rick. Okay, so look at the woman's shirt. So the woman's shirt in the first picture has a moon, and on the left picture, okay, on the right, but there is a star on it. Okay, yes. And you're also good job because the bowl has bananas in the left picture, but is empty on the right. And the toy truck is on the chair in the left picture, but on the floor in the right. Okay, the boy's shirt is green. Can you see the shirt?
The
All right.
t-shirt it is green.
Yes. So the boy's shirt is green with the pink sleeves on the left, but white blue sleeves on the right. Okay? All right. Now, Rick.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, Rick, I have a question for you. So, can you look at the table, Rick, to the left, in the left picture and in the right? What can you say about the table?
Is the is the picture on the table is just a circle or square, while in the picture two uh the table is the square shape.
Yes. So look at the first picture. So this shape is circle. Okay? So the table is round or circle on the left. Can you say the word, Rick? Circle.
Circle
Round.
round.
Very good. Now, Rick, look at this picture, the next one, this one. Okay? What shape is this? It's
Is
square.
with square.
Yes, good job, Rick. You're doing great today. Okay, so now, Rick, let's see the next one. Okay, wait for a while. Now, let's go to this part. Let's have the picture story. Are you ready, Rick?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Look at the first picture. Ta-da! Okay, so now, Rick, look at the picture. They show a story. It's called Fred's Always Dirty. Okay? Now, Rick,
Yeah.
look at the first picture. What can you say about this picture, Rick?
Mm, Fred is play football.
Very good. So, Fred is playing football. Look at his clothes, Rick. What can you say about Fred's clothes?
Is uh is Fred
It's dirty. Can you say the word? Dirty.
is 30.
Yes, very good. Now, Rick, look at these pictures, okay? So look at the second picture, Rick. Look. Okay, let me circle it for you. Okay, Rick, what is Fred doing?
Fred is um i- is um taking a shower.
Yes. So Fred is having a shower. Can you read it, Rick?
Fred
Fred.
is showering.
Say Fred is having a shower.
Fred is showing a shower.
Okay, can you repeat after teacher? Rick, say Fred
Fred
is
is
having
having
a shower.
a shower.
Very good, Rick. Look, here's your watermelon. Let's open. Wow. Nom 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 nom. Okay. Next, Rick. This time, look at this picture. The next picture. Okay, please wait for a while.
Uh,
Okay, look at the third
Fred's
picture.
mom is uh. mm,
Where's Fred going now? Where do you think?
It is uh,
Fred's
Fred is
going
is
outside.
going outside.
Yes. So what do you think? What's Fred saying to his mother?
Uh, he's saying mm,
He's saying, what's
mm,
this?
he's saying
Goodbye
goodbye
to his mother.
to his mother.
Yeah, so he's saying goodbye to his mother. Okay, very good. Now, Rick, look at the last picture. Okay, so what's Fred doing now?
Fred is riding a bike.
Yes, so Fred's riding his bike, and look at his clothes. What can you say about the clothes of Fred's?
Is mm, is
It's
uh
dirty, right?
is dirty. Yes.
Yes, okay. So now, this time, I want you to repeat the sentence, okay? Let me type it for you. So, oh, you can see the picture, the letter, I'm sorry. So, Fred is riding his
Is
bike,
is riding his bike,
and he is
and he is
dirty again.
dirty. Again.
Very good. Again, okay, again, Ree, what's Fred doing now?
Fred is riding a bike and 30 uh,
Again.
again.
Yes, so Fred is riding his bike and he is dirty again. Okay, very good for that. So now, Rick, how about you? Do you know on how to ride a bike? Yes or
No,
no? Okay,
no,
so can you say, no, I don't?
no, I don't.
Okay, fantastic. Now, Rick, look. Okay, so this time, let's have the part three. Okay, the odd one out. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, so Rick, can you say, yes, I'm ready?
yes, I am ready.
Okay, so now Rick, look. Wow, okay. So look at the pictures, Rick. Can you find the old one and out?
Yes,
Okay, so before that, let me ask you a question, okay? Rick,
yeah.
look, what's this?
This is a lemon.
A lemon, very good. A lemon is a
It's a fruit.
fruit. Good job. Next, how about this one?
This is a pineapple.
It's a pineapple. Do you eat pineapple, Rick?
Yes,
Okay, that's perfect. Next, look at the next picture, Rick. Okay, what's this, Rick? Next to the pineapple,
it's a book.
it's a book. Okay. Next, how about this one? The last fruit, it's a orange.
Orange.
All right.
Orange.
So now, Brew, sorry. So now, Rick, which one is different?
Which one is different?
Again?
Which one is different?
Yes, which one is different? Can you tell teacher? Is it the lemon, the pineapple, the book, or
The
the
book.
orange? The book, very good. Because why do you say the book is different?
The
The
book is not the fruit.
Yes, very good. That's why, Rick, the book is the old one out because the other three are fruits, right?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, you're doing great today, Rick. Give me peace bump for that. Come on. Peace bump, Rick. Oh, Rick. Okay. So now, Rick, look, let's have the part four. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So today, Rick, I have some questions for you. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So let's talk about the things you like. Okay, the first one, Rick. What do you like eating?
I like pizza.
Wow, what else?
and uh, chicken.
Chicken? Wow, that's fantastic. Amazing. Next, Rick, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is uh, uh, panda.
Panda? Wow. Why do you like panda, Rick?
Uh,
Do you
mm,
think panda is cute?
no.
Oh no, okay, that's okay. So what other animals is your favorite?
My favorite animal is the mm, uh,
How about
mm,
cat, dog? Do you like dog?
wild.
Cat?
Wild.
Oh, all right, I see. So now, next question for you, Rick. Where do you like going at the weekend?
And the weekend, I go to the supermarket.
Oh, what do you do in the supermarket, Rick? Rick, what do you do in the supermarket?
In the supermarket, I uh, uh,
Do you buy some foods in the
I buy food.
supermarket? Okay, that's perfect. Oh, Rick, okay, another question for you. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Watermelon, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, good job for that. And now, Rick, can you tell me about your hobby?
No.
What's your hobby? What do you like to do?
My hobby is badminton.
Oh, you play badminton. Okay, that's perfect. So, Rick, do you play badminton with your friends or with your family?
With my friend.
Oh, with your friends. Very good. So, Nari, congratulations for today. Now, okay. So, Rick, I just want to say first, congratulations because you did a good job in our class today. Excellent. Give me five for that, Rick. Oh, okay. So good job, Rick, because you was able to answer some of my questions. Okay? All right.
Yes.
So, Rick, for you to learn more about English, you can read more English books. Do you read English books, Rick?
Yes.
Very good. So continue, Rick, to read English books to improve your reading and speaking skills, okay?
Yes.
Yes. And of course, you know what, Rick? You can also talk to your mom or your dad at home in English language. Do you speak English at home, Rick?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's perfect. That's a good practice, okay? And of course, Rick, you can also watch English movies. Do you watch English movies?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So, what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is One Piece.
One Piece, I know that. How about the Spider-Man? Rick, do you
No.
know the Spider-Man? Do you watch
No.
Spider-Man?
No.
No, okay, that's okay. And also, Rick, you can watch some English songs, okay? All
Yes.
right. Okay, now Rick, let's sing the alphabet. Do you know the alphabet song?
No. No.
Okay, let me sing it for you, okay?
Uh,
Okay, let's sing. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T-U-V W X Y and Z. Yes. So now, Rick, you can search the alphabet song using the internet. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So now, Rick, that's all for today. I just want to say thank you so much for booking my class, and I hope, Rick, to see you again next time. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So goodbye, Rick. See you next time.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rick.